Hey guys, welcome to another Amazon product review, unboxing, demonstration, all that good stuff. We have the Vegue Vm50 condenser microphone. So this one runs about $60 on Amazon, and I'll link it in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So initially we have the instruction manual. And here we have a USB cord for power. And then we have this. Wow, it's pretty heavy. Definitely some nice solid packaging here. Come on out of there, little guy. There we go. All right, so that's pretty cool. This is like solid metal, guys, so that's pretty fantastic. It's all black. In the bottom part we have a headphone jack and the USB-C plug-in. Then also we have volume control right here. And this can be muted with a single push of the button on the front of that to mute your microphone or to unmute it. The stand itself doesn't look like it's adjustable, this portion right here, but for your microphone, as far as where you want that to go, it is perhaps not a 360, so that's about as far as it goes right there, but then you can just tighten this to set it in place there. So there is that. It almost looks like this would be able to move up and down on that, but that is not the case. Okay. So initial thoughts here. It looks really cool, and it seems really sturdy. I think this is just a hardened plastic here, or perhaps this is a metal, and then this is suspended by these bands here. So it looks really cool. Just set it on the desk there, and the base is super solid. So we're just going to plug it in, and I'm going to start talking on this. We'll see how it sounds, guys. Let's do it. Well, friends, all right, so plug and play, it was just super easy. As soon as I plugged it in, I'm using OBS right now for the screen recording, or for the webcam there, and it came on like instantaneously set up. I'm using Windows 11 right now. What's cool though is this front part lights up, and then when it's muted, that turns red. It has a volume here on the front, and I think that adjusts the volume of this thing here. Let's see, so I'm going to actually mess with the volume here a little. Just talking normal, talking normal, talking normal, talking normal while I turn it all the way up there. And I don't have headphones available for me to try this out. The cord, it's got some good length on the cord, probably about 6 or 7 feet long. Setup is super easy, and it's a nice indicator there, the light. If you want to mute it real quick, boom, tap your button. Everything seems to be working really good here. As far as that, it looks legit. It's got a nice solid base there. I like it. It feels, it's got some heaviness to it, so it feels like a really nice microphone here. Yeah, I'm just gonna go kind of off the ways a little bit and see, just talk normal and see if I can't run over my ring light over here. Hello, little ring light. So I'm just talking normally and just kind of going away from it. You know, some microphones you gotta be real close and talk right here. Is that going to be the same, or just get back here and talk? And so this one, I'm going to go back and listen to this real quick, and we'll mess with it some more. All right, my friends. So as you can see and hear, of course, when I was holding it, the sound is a little sketchy. That's normal interference if you're sitting there messing with your microphone. But just sitting on the desk and going away, the volume adjustment, all that worked really good. I like how it lights up. The nice indicator there of showing you that it's working. So if you want to mute it real quick, you just tap that button. You can adjust your volume on there, as you can see too. So that's really cool. Appears to be I gotta admit, the speakers, I'm using just speakers from my monitor, so not great sound. I could turn it up to 100% and it's still like, wow, it's pretty quiet. But from what I could hear, just really good quality sound. I'm still using this microphone right now, as you can hear. I'm talking in this one, so what you can hear is hopefully, from what I could hear, a decent sound. So it appears to be a well built and a high quality microphone here, guys. The like I said, the plug and play was super easy. As soon as I plugged it in, it was ready to go. It was like, as soon as I went to my microphone settings on OBS, it was right there. Went to my Windows, checked the default thing, make sure the volume was good and everything on that at to 100. Everything worked perfectly. So setup was snap, really no problem at all. Right now, there's a 30% coupon on this, so normally $60, and knock 30% off of that. So if you guys are in the market for a decent microphone for your podcasting or your YouTube channel or whatever you're doing, that involves a microphone, this seems to be a nice little addition to what you're using there. So like I said, I will link this in the description below. You guys can check it out on Amazon. And if you buy stuff through my links, I'm an Amazon associate. So it does help out the channel a little bit. I do appreciate the support. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you next time.